Welcome to the channel. We got our first package from Amazon for the Jeep JL. The Ronin factory 50 cal bullet antenna.
Step 1, open the package.
All right, now we're gonna open the package. So when you open the top, you got the, looks like the antenna's wrapped up. You got some paperwork, ooh, bling. Got some stickers, the Ronin factory stickers. Ooh, got a little symbol. And then of course you got the factory yada 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 and the antenna. Let's open the antenna. Nice. Good packaging for those of you guys that like unpacking videos, blah, blah, blah. 50 caliber bullet. Ooh, look at the bottom. It's got some, looks like it's got some Loctite on it. So when you put it in the groove there, it'll stay.
Take out the factory antenna.
Take your standard 3/8 wrench and loosen the factory antenna.
Step 3, insert the bullet.
All right, last step is to make sure it works. So we got the FM radio on. Works good.